Consider the following two statements, statement 1 and 2. If a candidate is known to be corrupt, then he will not be elected. Let's write this in statement form. Let's see X is candidate is corrupt and candidate is elected is EX. So if a candidate is corrupt, then he will not be elected. If and then, it means implication is used. In statement 2, if a candidate is kind, he will be elected. If then, he will be elected. Here also implication is used. So statement 1 says that CX imply not EX. Statement 2 says that if a candidate is kind means KX. KX, he will be elected implies EX. So which one of the following statement follows from S1 and S2 as per sound inference rule of logic? We have to use rule of inference. Pay attention here. We have to use rules of inference. This statement can be written as not CX or not EX. It can be written as not KX or EX as per resolution rule of inference. See what is resolution rule of inference. P or Q, not P or R, gives rise to Q or R. So when we apply 8th resolution rule of inference, this statement not EX, EX, not P, P, it will be become not CX or not KX. Not CX and not KX can be written as, this is equivalent to CX imply not KX. Also this can also be written as, suppose this is in place of this and this is in place of this, then KX imply not CX. This says that if a candidate is corrupt, he will not be elected. If a candidate is kind, he is not corrupt. Let me write this. So this statement says that if a candidate is corrupt, then he is not kind. If a candidate is kind, then he is not corrupt. If you read all the options one by one, you will feel that if a person is kind, he is not known to be corrupt. He is not corrupt. So option C is correct answer.